Hi children.
Hi.
LM is about CV words. Today I would like to share a simple and effective classroom activity using CV words. This activity is very helpful for beginner readers and writers. Children first learn the letter sound, that is A sound A, B sound B, like this. After that we combine one consonant and one vowel to make simple CV words such as J, A, Ja, N, A, Ne. That is N sound is N and E sound is A, Ne, like this. This activity helps children recognize the letter sounds, blend sounds easily. It improves reading fluency, develop writing skills also, and build confidence in learning. It is especially useful for slow learners and beginners because they learn step by step in a fun and interactive way. Let's start the activity. Come on, all of you ready?
Okay, Mammy.
Okay, all of you ready to read this? Okay, come on, Rimza, read this.
It's an A.
Okay.
This one bird. It's an A. Ba. The.
Yes.
A. Da.
Yes.
A. Sa.
Very good.
J. A. Ja.
Very good.
S. A. Sa.
Yes, sound is A.
A. Sa.
Okay.
T. A. Ta.
Very good.
Z. A. Za.
Okay, come on. Come, you read this. What is the sound of E?
It's an A.
A. Very good. Come on. Read.
It's an It's an A. Fe.
Very good.
It's an Ha. It's an A. He.
Hmm.
It's an G. It's an A. Ke.
Okay.
It's an L. It's an A. Le.
Le. Okay.
It's an N. It's an A. Me.
Whenever we add the letter T here, M-E-T, that is M-A-T, mat. Mat. Like that. Okay. Come on, read this.
It's an N.
A.
S. A.
Ne.
Ja. It's an R. It's an A. Re.
Roshni, come here. What is the sound of I?
I said E.
Very good. Come on, read.
B said B. I said E. B. D said D.
D. E.
D.
Yes. Like that.
F. I. E.
E.
E. F.
G.
G. E.
G.
G.
Okay.
G said J.
J sound J.
J said J. I said E. G. K said K. I said E. R. R said R. E. Re.
Okay. Claps for her. Who will read? Come on, come here. Come, Rita. Come. O sound? Oh, okay.
O. December. O said A. Ba.
Bo. Very good. Come on, read.
December. O said A. Da.
Very good.
Yapsan. O said A. Ba.
Four. Okay.
December.
Very
O
good.
said A. Ba. Yapsan. O said A. Ha.
Very good.
Yamsan. O said A.
O. Mo.
Ma. Asan. O said A. Ra.
Very good. Come on, claps for her. Come. You come here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Read. Read from here. What is the sound of U? Okay.
B, B, B.
If we add here n, then
Bun.
it will bun.
Bun.
Okay, like this. Okay.
D, D.
Very good.
F, F.
Very good.
G, G.
Very good.
J, J.
Very good.
L, L.
Very good.
M, M.
Yes.
T, T.
Very good. Okay.
V, V.
Very good. Claps for us. All of you enjoyed now?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much.